Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bremen Home. My name is Ashley and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I figured we would kick off Vlogmas with doing a furniture flip. For those of you that don't know, I have a vintage booth where we sell home furniture, home accessories, rugs, vintage, antique, and new. So I figured let's start off with a furniture flip. I purchased this piece and put it in the shop, and it's been in there for a little bit and it's not really moving. I don't know if there's much interest, so I feel like I need to brighten the piece up. I replaced these two pieces of hardware because they were missing when I purchased it. I was gonna replace these ones, but I feel like it ties in with the stone really well, so we'll see after we paint it what it looks like. But the stone is super beautiful, and I think against like a bright white color it'll look really good. Sorry for the mess, we're in the garage. I'm gonna use the Rustoleum milk pink finish with classic white. It's gonna be very bright and very different. I might scuff it up depending on how it looks, if it needs a little scuffing. So let's take off the hardware and jump right into it. It's day two of the furniture flip. Yesterday I painted this piece, that white chalk paint, and I just felt like it was a little bit too bright with the marble. I don't really like painted furniture to begin with, so I had this idea of putting stain on the piece. Now I just stained this, so it's a little bit tacky still, but it's already drying in some areas and I just think it looks gorgeous. And with the marble, I think it's gonna look great. So I feel like I might do this with future pieces. It looks like real wood. It muted down that like orangey oak color. So I'm extremely happy and excited with the way it turned out. I'll give you a reveal once it's completely dry and I poly it and put it all together. But so far I am really excited and I love it. You guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and come back for day two of Vlogmas. Tomorrow we are going to an estate sale. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.